Alright, here is the waterfall. There's the bottom part. There it all collects. It kind of trickles over. Goes all the way up to the top of the hill. That's the very top of the hill there. Down through here. It's supposed to split a little better there. I'm going to have to put some more rocks to get to come down over this part, but it's going on this side pretty well. Sorry about the focusing issues there. You can see it goes up about 20-25 feet. Trickles down over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I guess 7 different, 8 different waterfalls. Just a gentle trickle. So that is all the rocks from Mom and Dad's wall. That's about, I'll show you what's left of the pile over there. So that pile of rocks there, it was about 3 times that big. And now let's head into a waterfall. That's the waterfall. Talk to you later.